Is Andrew Tate about to load up on Pepe? Better yet, is Pepe going to be collaborating with Andrew Tate in their upcoming updates and upcoming for their project? Welcome back to 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan, and today we're talking about a fan favorite cryptocurrency, Pepe token, that's been going on to be doing some fabulous, fantastic things. Overall crypto market starting to heat up, and Pepe just absolutely dominating. We're up 1% on the hour, number 3 in terms of top cryptos, and anticipate very soon that Pepe token will flip Shiba Inu and become the #1 Bitcoin this crypto cycle, and more on that towards the end of the video, so make sure you watch all the way to the end. But we're talking about Andrew Tate and a particular Andrew Tate and Pepe collaboration. This tweet came on my feed, I want to say yesterday, and it kind of got me thinking this is quite interesting. So be immune to the psyops, Pepe. I don't care about this particular psyops, honestly, and it's Pepe the Frog smoking a cigar, and again, the term psyops is a term that Andrew Tate uses a lot. Cigar, sunglasses, kind of the whole gimmick of this online character we could call Andrew Tate. And again, the comment section are not necessarily connecting 2 and 2 together, but trust me when I tell you I see something brewing, and it's very interesting. We even have Tate's Twitter page open over here with 9.7 million followers, and it's interesting to say the least how he has been actively pumping cryptos over the past couple weeks, specifically Daddy token. Supposedly he's on a worldwide tour to promote this token. He's been actively promoting it, retweeting it, and just getting deeper and deeper into the crypto space. This being said, is this a secret hint that we're going to see a Pepe and Andrew Tate collaboration? We already know Andrew Tate did for Daddy token some tremendous things. If this happens, this could cause Pepe to just break that next tier. However, this could also just be Pepe view farming over 100,000 views from this post alone. And I'm sure I'm not the only one speculating that something is brewing. And then that was for yesterday's tweet, and then a couple days ago they also tweeted, "You are here, the purchasing power of the US," just mocking it, replying to Elon Musk. And that's in terms of their tweets. That's kind of the main stuff we've seen as of late. We've seen the contest a couple weeks ago, but the main thing is this potential Andrew Tate collab, which could be interesting if he collaborates with Pepe officially, what it could do for the price. Anyone who got in relatively early is going to reap some solid rewards, because let me tell you this, if that collaboration does happen, it could cause Pepe to go absolutely insane. Anyone who bought it early is going to reap some solid rewards. Talking about getting early, guys, if you want to load up on a project mega early and you love Pepe token, here's a pre-sale gem that's Pepe token theme. This is Pepe Unchained Layer 2. Pepe now has his own blockchain. Congratulations, you're early to the party. Buy now and stake during our pre-sale to max out your rewards before the price skyrockets. So Pepe Unchained, better speeds, better gains, same delicious Pepe flavor. And it's interesting bridging between ETH and Pepe chain, low transaction fees, high volume capacity, 100x faster than ETH, and a dedicated block explorer. And currently offering a 370% AP. You heard that right. If you stake your Pepu tokens, you'll be earning 370%. So if you love Pepe and Pepe style meme coins, this is going to be a coin you want to load up on. It's on pre-sale right now, already raised $5.1 million. We anticipate this project will raise at least $15 million before it goes launched, and when it does list, potentially $150 million market cap, which could be solid for people investing in very early. If you want to load up on Pepe Unchained, link in the description below to load up now. But back to Pepe token, guys, as Pepe is taking over the internet, taking over article posts. Everyone's talking about Pepe token. Technical analysis are looking pretty great. Oscillars are neutral. Moving averages are in strong buy, giving us a total summary of buy. And with all this Twitter action going on, we're seeing the price definitely making a rebound. On the 1 month, we're up 12%, making up for the bloody loss we made earlier this month actually. And again, we're hoping to see a rebound for Pepe and meme coins as a whole. Ethereum ETFs were supposed to went to live earlier today as well, which is great. Bitcoin prices skyrocket. Fear and greed index is slowly creeping back towards greed, which is great. And with all these steps in place, we anticipate the meme market's going to go absolutely parabolic. So now is your time to load up on your favorite meme tokens. So you want to load up on Pepe Unchained, let us know in the comment section below. That wraps the video, guys. Like always, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.